Welcome to the channel where we transform the potential of renewable energy into real results. Today we will explore how integrating BESS systems into ancillary services markets and aggregating distributed resources can maximize your revenues. In this first image, we look at how BESSes are integrated into ancillary services markets. This diagram illustrates how storage systems can respond to specific demands such as frequency regulation, fault backup, and voltage control. Ancillary services are critical to grid stability in a context of high renewable penetration. The BESSes enable fast and efficient response, optimizing the profitability of projects. This image details the main services that BESS can offer: primary and secondary frequency regulation, contingency backup, and voltage control. These services not only ensure grid stability, but also provide additional revenue. For example, the rapid response capability of the BESS is ideal for contingency reserves, while voltage control improves the quality of supply. With BESSes, you can offer these services almost instantaneously, increasing your ability to capture opportunities in dynamic markets. Here we see how distributed resource aggregation allows multiple small systems to combine to operate as a cohesive unit, improving access to wholesale and ancillary markets. Aggregation through virtual power plants, VPPs, maximizes energy efficiency and allows smaller-scale projects to access markets previously reserved for large facilities. Advantages can include access to frequency regulation and operating reserve revenues, flexibility and resilience to handle variability in renewable generation. This image presents the key strategies for maximizing revenues in these markets: analysis of local regulations, use of energy management systems, EMS, and adaptation to market volatility. Knowing local regulations is crucial to meet market requirements. In addition, EMSs optimize the operation of BESSes, ensuring that energy is used cost-effectively. These strategies not only increase profitability, but also enable operators to respond quickly to market signals. Today we explore how BESS and DR aggregation can revolutionize participation in ancillary services markets. From delivering essential services to maximizing profitability through well-designed strategies, every detail matters. If you're ready to take your projects to the next level, contact me on LinkedIn for one-on-one consulting. Together we can analyze your needs and design strategies that optimize your revenue and operational efficiency. Don't miss this opportunity.